Let's get started. In this experiment, we will learn how to estimate the size of homeopathic globules. To begin, gather the materials: globules of similar size, a sheet of paper, a scale in millimeters, and a pencil. First, check and arrange all the materials properly. Take a clean sheet of paper, fold it once to make a straight line, and draw a vertical line near one end. Now, select 10 globules of almost equal size and arrange them in a straight line along the fold, closely touching each other without any gaps, and mark the end with pencil. Measure the total length of all 10 globules using the scale. Next, repeat the measurements 3 times with different set of globules. Round off your reading to the nearest multiple of 10 except 5. Here, we have obtained values 41, 42 and 40 mm respectively. The average of these 3 measurements is 41 mm. Rounding this to the nearest multiple of 10, the size of globule is obtained as 40 mm. Finally, record your result. The size of the given globules is approximately 40 mm. Hence, globule size is 40. That's how we estimate the size of globules easily and accurately. Estimating the size of globules helps to ensure uniformity so that medicines are absorbed evenly. It also allows us to regulate the quantity of each dose accurately for individualized treatment. Thank you for watching.